Hi guys, have you ever found yourself copying and pasting the same data over and over again just to fill the blank cells in your Excel worksheet? Well, today I am going to show you this amazing Excel feature that will make your life easier 100-fold. Please join me in this video and let me show you exactly what I am talking about. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on that notification button for more exciting Excel tricks and tips to use in your daily tasks. Okay, for this feature I am going to use the weekly schedule as an example. So you have scheduled the shifts for the week, and whilst you were doing so you were concentrating on making sure that all shifts are covered before you can allocate off days to the staff members. So now you are left with some blank cells which you want the words day off typed in. Instead of copying the words day off and pasting it into each and every blank cell, I am going to show you a much faster way to do it. Please follow these steps. Highlight the whole area where the blank cells are. Press Ctrl G. Click on Special. Click Blanks. Click OK. All the blank cells will be highlighted. Now you want to fill all these blank cells with the words day off. Here is how you will be able to do that. Whilst all the blank cells are highlighted like that, type the words day off and press Ctrl Enter. There you go, all the blank cells have been filled in. Much faster, right? Please feel free to comment with any Excel topics or challenges you would want us to touch on.